Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to fix Telegram login flood weight error. So the the flood weight error during a login typically indicates that you have made too many login attempts or requested too many verification code within a short period, triggering Telegram spam protections or prevention mechanism as well. So basically, how you could fix it is that the most common and often the only situation is to wait. The flood wait error usually specifies a duration. For example, flood wait, and then you could find the seconds or timing as well. And then the Telegram will automatically lift the temporary block after this period. Avoid trying to log into or request codes during this time, as it can extend the wait as well. Next, you could also verify that your device date and time are set correctly and prefer to the automatic network time. If not, all you need is go to settings on your device, and when you go to the settings section, what you need is just go to system. Over here you want to check on time and make sure it is automatic. If the issue persists on after waiting, you could try clearing the cache and data of the Telegram app. This can also resolve any corrupted temporary file. For that, you just want to long press the Telegram app. First of all, click on the app info icon and click on storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache, and that should be able to help you out. So this way you should be able to fix Telegram login flood weight error. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.